Guys, naging highlight ng linggo namin ang aming panonood ng Bagets the Musical na tinanghal sa Newport Performing Arts Theater sa Pasay. Nakita namin si Viva Big Boss, Vic Del Rosario, ang original Bagets cast na sina Raymond Lauchenko, Yayo Aguila, si Cheska Inigo, Yula Valdez, nandyan din ang kapatid ni Aga na si Arlene Mulak, si Nadia Montenegro na bahagi raw ng Bagets Part 2. At yung ibang mga fans talaga ng movie ay nagtataka kung bakit wala daw dyan si Aga, si JC Bonin, sino pa ba? Yung iba. So, nagwi-wish din sila na sana may revival din ang pelikula at hindi lamang itong musical. Ayan, hindi ko nabanggit din pala si William Martinez na nagbigay ng statement sa media na hindi na raw siya makaka-attend niyan dahil he considers himself retired from showbiz na. Wow, sana umattend man lang din si William, di ba? Kahit na nandyan si Yayo. Ayan. Mukhang masaya talaga ang lahat, reminiscing the old times. At ayun, nagustuhan po namin ang Bagets the Musical. In fact, gusto ko nga siyang panoorin uli kasi mas yung mga kanta, maganda ang pagkaka-perform ng mga new gen Bagets stars katulad niya dyan sina Andres Mulak at si Katie Estrada. By the way guys, nakita rin namin kagabi si SB19 Justin without his other SB19 teammates. They represent the new generation nanonood ng Bagets the Musical at nandyan din ang kanyang kaibigang singer na si Maki. At nakakatuwa kasi nagustuhan din nila ang manood. Ayan, ito na po ang interview namin kay Michael William.
I have very, very fond memories of Kokoy. Kasi original cast kami sa Miss Saigon and he and I were flatmates. Kapitbahay namin si Isay at si Janine. And we did everything together. We went shopping together, went to the grocery together, we kept house together. Lagi kaming bus going home, sabay kami lahat. So dear, dear friend. And then si Tita Celia kept visiting us to check on Kokoy kung ano nangyayari sa amin. And she would stay in my flat, our flat. And then, she would cook for Kokoy and me. Siyempre, invite ko yung mga kapitbahay. Masaya kami ni Kokoy.
Anong mga dishes ang niluluto?
Ay mga exotic ang mga dishes ni Tita Celia. Tapos, we got a piano. Kasi si Kokoy mahilig tumugtog eh. So, kumuha kami ng piano. Tapos, pupunta yung mga Pinoy Saigonista sa flat namin. At makikikanta around the piano si Kokoy ang magpapiano para sa amin.
Including Lea Salonga.
Hindi pa si Lea kasi palagi syempre natutulog yun. Mabigat yung role niya eh. So hindi siya nakikihalubilo sa amin. Kasama namin sina Kokoy, si Robert, Isay, Janine, si Junix, Pinky. Yan, pupunta sa bahay namin.
When was the last time you talked to Kokoy before he died?
Birthday ng Tita Celia.
Ay,
Yes.
that she passed away na rin.
Yes.
So, anong naging reaction mo when he died?
Oh wow, I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. You know, parang Kokoy is one of those people na parang laging nandun eh, di ba? Parang lagi siyang always around. So it was a shock to me. And we're dear friends, so it was a loss for all of us.
So Miss Nora Honor, hindi ba hindi ba nanood ng Miss Saigon?
Hindi ko alam kung nagpunta si Ate Guy, but I know that when she passed, nakakagulat din. Parang, you know, she's another one of those people that are always there.
Okay guys, that was a very short interview with Michael Williams na flatmate ni Kokoy sa London in the original Miss Saigon. So, I hope to talk to him more kapag nakita ko pa uli siya. Kasi magsisimula na yung show ng makausap ko siya. Okay, thank you!